Doof Dale! What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all having a good day, morning, afternoon, nighttime, you know, typical intro. If you're watching this. But today, as you can see, hood's up. I'm gonna be changing the oil on this beast. I know there's tons of other videos, but this one's on a sunset orange Silverado that's got a 9-inch lip and a cool message behind it. So yeah, with that being said, if there's any of you suffering through suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you. I do. So does this truck. So yeah, let's get into changing the oil on this beast. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. It's my first time doing it by myself. Usually do it with Keenan, but yeah, it's nothing difficult. I've done it before. Used to do co-op with my Uncle Dan, and that's all he had me do at his shop in Woodstock. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's have some fun. So this bolt right here that you want, and it's a 15 mil. Boom. That's the way we want to go. Yeah, we're making a mess. Should probably grab a rag as well. That would have been a smart idea. But I'm not a thinker. I'm a doer. Stop that truck, you're pissing everywhere. Piss out of one spot. Yeah, I made a mess. We'll clean it up before he sees it though. Okay. So, as you can see, I made a mess.
Jedi dumbass.
And got the oil filter here now. And somebody put it on with a damn wrench. It was like Hulk put it on. So, wet this up. Some of the oil lying around. NASCAR KN oil filter. There she goes. There she goes. Well, Felker, auto teacher, and my uncle always said hand tight. Should be able to get it on and off with just your hands. You don't need a goddamn wrench to fucking get your oil filter off and make a goddamn mess of your truck. And now it's on there. Now his truck's a shit mess. And I'm pissed off about it. And then Dad's pissed off and I made a mess of his driveway. So, filter's on. Everything's back on there. Nice and tight. Oh, you can look at my ground. There's the oil filter. It's back on. Plugs back in. Door's open. Let's not run into the door. So, we got some new oil here. Some full ultra platinum full synthetic. R30. We're gonna jam it into this dirty old mud truck here. Yeah, it's a mud truck. You cannot tell me otherwise. This thing plays. Just hasn't got to this year because, well, adulting. Lots of adulting. So no 410s have been properly installed yet. If you go back a few videos, like a couple months back, you'll see Keenan and I working on the 410s. Well, Keenan working on the 410s, me just looking pretty. That's what I do. So yeah, let's get the oil jammed up here. Then we'll get this beast started for the first time today. I haven't even had her running yet today. Haven't had a cruise in her or anything. Would love a cruise. It's a beautiful day out, as you can see. In the Berg. Lots of kids roaming around. Surprised there's nobody over there playing basketball or anything right now. Yeah. Let's get the oil in this bitch and get it started. Can't wait to hear my 5.3. Dear GM engineers, I hate you. We all hate you. We all kind of wish you would figure your shit out. So now we gotta only pour 3 liters of this in here because we only need 8 liters. As I continue to make a shit mess of my truck. Liter to go. And I spill it fucking everywhere. I poured in a little extra just because, well, I made a shit mess of my truck. Fucking cloth down in there. I spilled it fucking everywhere. Hit. So my cap back on. There we go. All right, let's go look underneath to make sure it's not leaking. All right, there's some oil on the ground, but I think that's just for me fucking spilling it everywhere like a dipshit. Yeah, it's leaking all over everywhere down here, for fuck's sakes. That's what happens when you don't have a stand and you're an idiot, I guess. And you're just trying to knock out your oil change. So, everything's nice and tight. It must be good to go. Give her a start. So, hood's back down. Everything's tight, ready to go, I believe. So, let's give this thing a start, shall we? Did that. Well, that's rude of GM. Oh, GM, I just popped the hood, but its remote starting to stop it. There you go, it's good, sounds good. Good to go. Take the truck out on a little tour. Find a little spot to end the video. Go for a cruise. Come back and clean up the mess.
Tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do.
that's my video on how to do an oil change. You know, you do an oil change and you go get a stunt driver and you have a little bit of fun right afterwards, right? So yeah, that's how you do an oil change the redneck way. You make a shit mess of your truck, and then you take it for a cruise, you go get a stunt driver, and then you go do a burnout. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Like, you know, come on. We're a little bit redneck. That's a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Monte Carlo, all right? Like, why else would you buy a front-wheel drive Monte Carlo? Because it's got a number 8 on it, all right? You do it for Dale, as Cleese would say, right? Do it for Dale! But yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If there's any of you suffering through suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you. I do. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the mess of the oil change and the burnout. Still never get that stunt driver's name. Never do. You always just like, you pick him up at a certain location, and then he does burnout, and then he just walks off. You don't even give him a ride home. It's fucking weird. He just walks off in the distance like he's Stig or something, you know? It's just so weird how he doesn't say his name. Literally, you just text him and go, hey, burnout? Question mark? And he says yes, and then he sends you a location. Weird days that we live in. But yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace out.